Do you want to see who viewed your TikTok profile but can't see that option on your account? Keep on watching because I'm here to help you. First, open your account and make sure that you are logged in. Press the profile icon at the bottom right part of your screen and press the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now go to Settings and Privacy, then find the Privacy option. Scroll down and look for the Profile Views option. You'll see here that the Profile View history is turned off, but now you can turn it on to see who viewed your profile for the last 30 days. However, if this option is not available on your TikTok account, what you have to do is to go to your settings. Once settings is opened, look for General, and here, click iPhone storage. Once you're here, just scroll down and look for TikTok. Once you press TikTok, you'll see the option to offload the app, which will free up storage used by the app. Just click this one and wait for a few seconds or a few minutes for it to finish loading. After, click Reinstall app and again, wait for a few seconds or a few minutes. Once this is done loading, you can recheck your TikTok account if the view history or view profile history is now available. However, if you're done offloading and reinstalling TikTok, what you can do instead is go to your app store and make sure that your TikTok account is updated. Just click the search tab and search for TikTok and make sure that your application is up to date. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and the notification bell.